Hello everyone, my name is Steve Lawrence Florendo, and my members are Justin Calano and Marcus Guerra. This is our work about Japanese arts and culture. The evolution of Japanese arts and culture, from ancient traditions to modern expressions. This representation explores the rich journey of Japanese arts and culture from prehistoric pottery to today's global contemporary art scene. Japan's artistic heritage reflects on a deep respect for nature, spirituality, craftsmanship, and for the nature, spiritual craftsmanship, and innovation through each era, ritual expression evolved alongside society, religion, and technology. Japanese art is shaped by core cultural values such as harmony with the nature, spiritual reflection, and appreciation of beauty and simplicity. Over time, influences from Chinese and Korean cultures and later on Western ideas helped Japan to create a unique artistic identity centered on craftsmanship, elegance, and emotional depth. These examples are strong ties to nature and spirituality, influences to Shinto Buddhism, and China and the West. Themes like harmony, simplicity, and permanence. Number 1. Jomon period. Examples are Dogu figurine Jomon and Jomon pottery flame style. The Jomon period is known for its hand-built pottery decorated with intricate rope patterns. The Dogu figurines, with their mysterious shapes and large eyes, are believed to have been used in connections to nature and craftsmanship alongside before metal tools existed. Number 2. Yayoi period. Examples are Yayoi pottery jar, Yayoi bronze taco bell. Agriculture brought social structure and refined craftsmanship to Yayoi pottery became smoother and more functional. Bronze pans known as tutaku show early ceremonial artistry and metalworking skills. Kofun period. Kanigawa clay figurines and Kofun Tyson tombs are one of the examples. This is number 3. Large keyhole-shaped tombs once reflect growing political power. Clay figurines called haniwa were placed around the tombs to guard the deceased and symbolize state. Number 4. The Asuka period. The examples are Asuka Taibatsu statue and Takamatsuka tombs mural. Buddhism transformed Japanese art, introducing temples and architecture, sculptures, and religious imageries. Chinese and Korean influence became strong foundation for the Japanese aesthetics. Number 5. The Nara period. The Great Buddha of the Daiji Nara and Nara period calligraphy sutra are one of the examples. Japan's first capital fostered grand Buddhism temples and large-scale arcs. The Great Buddha of Todaiji represents the period's spiritual and artistic ambitions. Number 6. The Heian period. The examples are Phoenix Buddha and Genji Monogatari and Maki Scroll. The Heian period, in distinctly Japanese aesthetics, developed during this era. Court novels produced refined literature, poetry and calligraphy, and paintings that highlighted the elegance and subtle beauty. Genji art era. This is number 6. The Tale of Genji, scroll painting Shikaru and Genji Kuye. The Tale of Genji inspired Yamato-e of native painting style using the rich colors and flowing forms. These artworks captured emotion and seasonal themes and aristocratic life. Number 7. Kamukaro period. The examples are the Great Wave of Kanagawa and Sesshu Toyo. With the rise of the samurai became powerful realism in sculpture and painting. Buddhist sculptures reached a new height with its dynamic and expressive forms. Muromachi period. Number 8. Wakizashi, Koshirei, and Kanzashi are the examples. Zen Buddhism inspired simple yet deeply expressive ink paintings. Subikyo artists like Senshu Toyo used minimal strokes to capture landscapes and emotions. Momoyama period. Number 9. The Kano school and Tosa Mitsuyoshi are one of the examples. Art became bold and luxurious, gold leaf folding screens decorated castles, symbolizing the power of feudal lords. These ceremonious aesthetics were also refined. The Edo period. Shogunate Tokugawa and tea time were one of the examples. This is number 10. Peace brought prosperity and cultural growth. Ukiyo-e woodblock prints became famous worldwide. Portraying daily life, comic characters, and landscapes, his spirit shaped the global art movement, including Impressionism. Kabuki theater, dramatic performance arts. The examples are Shibaraku and Kanadehon Shishigura. Kabuki is a traditional Japanese theater known for its dramatic acting, colorful costumes, and bold makeup. Traditional crafts aesthetics. Examples are wabi-sabi, Raku-tibor, and Karasuni gardens. Japan's traditional crafts, pottery, lacquerware, weaving, and papermaking reflects a philosophy of simplicity and imperfection, like wabi-sabi. Everyday life became art through careful craftsmanship. Number 13, the Meiji period. Woodblock prints and Nihonga are the examples. Japan's opened to the world, adopting Western techniques in painting, photography, and architecture. Artists blended Japanese traditions with modern innovation, creating unique hybrid styles. Taisho period. Examples are Umara Shoen and Tayahara Shikabano. Democratic ideas inspired experimentation in visual arts, fashion, and design. The Taisho Roman movement introduced romantic and modern aesthetics and vibrant creativity. Post-war Japan. Toko Shinoda lithography and Tayahara Shikanobu are one of the examples. Artists broke traditional boundaries, forming groups like Kutai, who created experimental, performance-based, and abstract art. Post-war Japan searched for identity through bold and artistic innovation. Number 17, 16, I mean. Contemporary art, like anime. Examples are Goku and animations. Manga and anime became global cultural forces shaping modern storytelling. Osamu Tezuka and later creators revolutionized visual styles and character design and narrative structures. Modern-day Japanese architecture. This is number 17. Examples are Tokyo Sky Tree and 2021 Design Site. Architects such as Tadao Ando and Kengo Kuma blended tradition with minimalism and natural materials. Modern Japanese architectures emphasize simplicity, space, and harmony with the environment. Present day, Mori JP Tower, Taranoman Absudai Garden Plaza. That's the examples. This is number 18. Japan continues to influence global contemporary art. Yayoi Kazuma, Takasashi Murakami, and Yoshitomo Nara create iconic works blending modern pop culture with traditional Japanese aesthetics. Conclusion: basically, Japanese arts evolved through constant change from the traditional techniques to modern digital forms, reflecting with every major shifts in Japan's society and history. Western influences during the Meiji Taisho period reshaped Japanese artistic identity, creating a unique blend of tradition and modernity that continues today. Post-war Japan used art, architecture, and pop culture to rebuild national identity, turning creativity into a symbol of resilience and innovation. Contemporary Japan art, including anime, manga, design, and architecture, shows Japan's global cultural impact and roles in modern visual culture. Overall, Japanese arts demonstrates how tradition and technology can coexist, providing the cultural evolution can preserve history while embracing the future. Arigatou gozaimashita. Sayonara.